Hey y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip that I'm excited about because I feel like I might be able to redeem this wig. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you are oldie but goodie, you should remember a while back I did a Sensational Dashley lookbook on, I want to say it was 26, 27, 28. And I got them all in that platinum blonde color. And I liked the wigs, but I hated the color. When I saw this wig, I said, I feel like I didn't get that wig like the justice that it deserved because I was so disappointed with the color. So I went and I got the wig in a color that I know I like to see if it was the color or if the wig, I just don't like it. I'll try to link that original video either here or at the end of the video. Like I said, this is part of Sensational's Dashley collection and it is in the style Lace Unit 28. Last time I got it in platinum, this time I got it in chunky highlight blonde. Okay, let's take it out of the package and look at the stock card to see if it's something that I'm forgetting to mention to you guys and this cap construction. The only other things worth noting from this stock card is the unit is a curtain bang unit. Y'all know I love curtain bangs. She C-safe up to 400 degrees and she comes with a deep center parting, okay? She also comes in some other beautiful colors as well. You have chunky highlight 27, chunky highlight 30, chunky highlight blonde, money piece blonde, money piece caramel, money piece gold, money piece hazel, and that money piece platinum that upset me so much down there at the bottom. So some beautiful colors, but I'm trying to make sure it wasn't the color that upset me. Now this color is more up my alley, and like I said, we got chunky highlight blonde. Very, very pretty color. As far as the cap construction goes, like I told you guys, it comes with that deep center part and ear to ear lace, comb to the right, comb to the left, and you get a comb in the back with some adjustable straps. The other thing that I didn't like about this wig, and I don't think it has anything to do with the color, there's not a whole lot of yak to it. Okay, it's more on the silky side than yakky, and it comes with those extra large baby hairs that look like senior citizen hairs. Okay. Moses hairs. They don't look baby-like at all. Very, very big. Okay. Before I cut off this lace, I'm going to put it on my head for y'all to see lace unit 28. Then I'm going to cut the lace off, brush it, and come back with my final thoughts. Be right back, you guys.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? In the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. No, we get this.
Y'all, I'm so glad that I picked up this wig in another color because I just did not care for it in that platinum. However, in this chunky highlight blonde, this is more up my alley and I can recommend this wig. I probably recommended it in that video too, but I knew that color just was, it wasn't for me. So I'm glad that I went and I did this because it shows me that I was 100% on the money. I feel more comfortable in this color. So color selection does matter. Matters. But it's not just like the shade of the color. It's all, does it have dark roots? Does it not? Because you know, that's a personal preference. Some people like dark roots, some people don't. I need my dark root on there. Okay, this is an example of why color matters. Like I said, I can't recommend that you go pick this one up. As far as going back to get the other ones to see if it was just the color, I'm not gonna do that because now I know that I would like those wigs, just not in that platinum color, right? If you look at the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can get this. I picked this wig up at Glamourtress, and at the time it was on sale for $22. Okay, do I think this is worth $22? I absolutely do. But I'm gonna put, like I said, the link down there for Amazon. My only con is this wig is more on the silky side than yaki. I wish it had a little bit more yak to it. And I would recommend that you spray this down with some dry shampoo because it does got a little bit of shine, don't it? Other than that, definitely recommend it. And I'm super excited because I'm not sure if the order that y'all are getting these uploaded. But do I want to bring my camera over there? I'm gonna bring my camera over there to show y'all. Hold on. So look, y'all, I got all of these wigs because I'm about to run a series on 2 wigs under $20 in each video. So there'll be 11 videos with wigs that are all under $20, the 2 for $20 series. So I'm really excited about this series. Y'all are the ones that push me to do things like that, and I'm forever grateful for y'all for that reason. In the comments, talk to me. Tell me what your thoughts are. Did you like the platinum color better? Because y'all know, like I always say, this is a us channel, not a my channel. This is us. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Y'all still like, no sis, the wig, I don't like it. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. That 2 for $20 series will probably start next week. If not next week, it'll be the week after.